Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to set or how to change favorite player in your profile. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So go to extras, click on profile icon, and here you will see the favorite option. So click on the box under the favorite option, and here you can see number of players, and here you can select any of the players that you want to set as favorite in your profile. So these are the available players. You can also tap on action to filter it or sort it. So let me select this Messi player, and then you can click on back, and here you can see favorite player has been changed to Messi. So this is how you can change or set the favorite player in your profile in eFootball 2027 mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.